Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can get your Instagram account verified. So everyone has a dream of getting their Instagram account verified, like the blue tick like the celebrity had on their name, right beside their name. So I'm gonna show you how you guys can do those. So first you have to go to your Instagram account. Okay, just me get a minute. You load it and get to your profile. Once you get on your profile, you see three lining on the right, on the top of the right side. Just click on those, go on the settings, and you can see account. On the account you see request verification. So once you click on the request verification, it's written apply for Instagram verification. A verification badge is a check that appears next to an Instagram account name to indicate that the account is authentically presence of a notable public figure, celebrity, global brand, or entire representatives. So you have to just fill all the requirements like the full name, known as, and the category, and attach a photo of your ID, means ID of a driving license or something else, which you have a photo ID. Then once you get those, just upload the photo ID and send it to Instagram. So you would be getting an email where you have to also have note that you might have a problem, like not everyone can get their Instagram account verified. So you have to be making sure of it, that you might have a good number of followers and a good reputation on the Instagram market. So only those who get Instagram verification has a good number of followers and also a good reputation on Instagram market. Once you send this verification, you would be getting in mail in 2 to 3 days from Instagram, from where you can also check your account got verified or not. Not everyone can get verified on Instagram, but some of you can do. So basically is the only and the simple method you can apply for verification. So if you like the video, please hit the bell icon, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.